Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to remove fingerprints from product surfaces. Open your product image and zoom in closely. Select the clone stamp tool with the soft brush and sample a clean part of the glossy surface. Now paint slightly over each fingerprint. Keep opacity low for smooth blending and match the direction of reflections. And also adjust hardness for sharper edges. Fix highlight areas carefully and zoom out to check if the shine looks natural. Correct any blurry patches, add subtle textures if needed, and also smooth scratches with extra